don't know me, my name is Evelissa, but you can call me Eva, so be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. So today I have for you another wig tutorial, but it's going to be kind of different because usually I work with human hair, but this hair is synthetic. The company's name is called Donmily. I'm going to make sure I leave everything down in the description box for you and the direct link to this hair. And you guys are going to see me basically customize the hair and actually like put it on my head. And we're going to see what can be done with this, okay? So, yes, this vendor is from Amazon. And I got their Kinky curly hair. And I believe this is 20 inches. Yeah, the hair comes with a side part already on it, and then the curls are like very tight, which is cool. So I'm gonna have to use mousse for that. So ready? And the construction of the wig, nothing too crazy. It only has like 1 inch, I would say less than an inch of parting space. And of course the part that it already came in, it has the parting space. Okay, I'm gonna put a wig cap on, and then I'm gonna put this bad boy on, and then we're gonna start styling. Yes we are, yes we are. I put my hair in a little bun, hopefully it doesn't interfere with anything. Okay. So how you guys doing? I'm doing great. I know I've been MIA. I just been like, so busy, so busy. Oh, this wig is kind of tight. If you have a big head, oh, this is actually cute. Okay. I like my side parts really deep, and I'll frame that. I'll frame it some more, but this hair is pretty cute. Okay, so I got my scissors here, some clips, and all I need left are some tweezers so I could tweeze this bad boy. Okay. No, this hair is like cute. Oh my, I was not expecting it to be this cute on me. But let me tell you something. It's really tight. Cause I got a big head. Let me clip this up. And we're gonna do something with this. We're gonna do something with this hairline because, baby, even though this wig is synthetic, you can't be walking around with the hairline looking like that, baby. Probably might give myself like, you know, some baby hairs. I'm gonna come back. I have a detailed tutorial on how I tweeze my hairlines, so I'll make sure to put it up in the screen for you guys to click on. I'm just freeballing, like, you know, I'm not doing anything specific. I'm just tweezing it so it won't look as boxy. So I'm gonna come back whenever I'm done tweezing. Okay. I thought I could do something, but I couldn't really do much. But I don't know if you really see a difference. If not, whatever, I'm still gonna finesse it. But right now I am going to cut the lace. I don't know, like, this is so cute. Don't get me wrong, I'm still gonna go back and frame it, But I'm liking it so far, guys. What you think? Curly mommy, curly Sue, curly E, huh? Like, pero, like, I was walking down the street and I'm like a whole new person. Okay. So, we did that. I cut some baby hairs, so I'm gonna, let me frame first. The part is already done, so all I just have to do is put some concealer on my part. I'm gonna put my baby hairs to the side. I'm gonna just clip it right here so they won't get mixed up. But I'm just gonna frame even more because it comes, I see that it comes layered, which is a good thing. This is nice. Okay. Now this is where the mousse comes in handy. You see how it's like kind of poofy a little bit? We don't want it to be too poofy. We want to open up the curls, but we still want the curl formation to still be intact. And that's where the good old mousse comes in handy, baby. So now I'm gonna do the baby hairs. So it could look like, oh, even though we know it's fake, it's not mine, but we still have to give it some character, you know what I'm saying? Give me a second. Sometimes I have good days with baby hair, sometimes I have bad. So I guess today it just doesn't want to work with me. And it's fine. Okay. Thank you. Okay, and now I just have to go in with my foundation, concealer. Give me this. Just put it on the part. And give me a second. And we are ready to go. Like, this hair is very simple. You hardly have to do anything because it already comes already made and styled for you. You just have to do, you know, like, if I could do it, you guys could do it too. Just get yourself some mousse, get yourself some shears. I got these at my local beauty supply store. I think it was like $5 or whatever. I need to invest in like really good shears, but these were pretty good. And you know, just frame it to your face, put some mousse to, you know, make sure it controls the frizz, put a little baby hairs, put a little concealer, some foundation on the part, and you're good to go. Like, come, I look like a whole nother person. I just catfished you guys. But all joke aside, like, this wig was legit $30, and for that price, this wig is pretty good. Like, I'm gonna make sure I leave the wig, the direct link to the wig, down in the description box. I'm gonna leave all the information down in the description box for you guys, so you guys can have access to this company. And thank you for watching this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys.